Hey everyone, today we're reviewing spirits in Waniasa. We have a walk-in refrigerator right here, as you can see. So let's check it out. So we have not one, I presume, but two Buffalo Trident PS series of evaporators. This is right there. Not bad. There's the water pipe that drains for the defrost cycle. That's where the water is meant to drain out. Of course, that's where the water is injected to freeze up into the coil, which is actually back here. As you can see, there's the coil back there. So there are 3 fans on each evaporator, which makes about 6. There's the drainage pipe right there, as you can see. And there's the pipe that injects the water. There's the coil, obviously. And there are 3 fans on this one. 3 on that one, like I said before. So there's 6, like I said before. So that's about it really, and I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next episode. Bye!